Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to solve simultaneous equations by substitution. And so, looking at this question, whoa, this question is good. Look at equation 2. It already is presented in such a way that helps in substitution method. T equals to 2 plus 3 over 2s. This means when I substitute 2 equation 2 into equation 1, I can interchange or substitute t with 2 plus 3 over 2s. They are equal to each other. 2s minus the t, I don't write t anymore. I write 2 plus 3 over 2s. And this is the substitution. Now, is to solve it, please be careful when you solve it. This is negative. Multiply by positive. You will get negative. Negative times positive, negative again. After that, please simplify. 2 minus 3 over 2s will give me 1 over 2s. 5. Do I plus or do I minus 2? Plus 2. So that 2 minus 2 equals to 0. And eventually I will get this answer. I will just need to times 2 on both sides, so that I get 1s equals to 14. And once I have that answer, I will then be able to find my letter T. How? Substitute in. So I'm going to substitute this answer into 2. T will be equals to 2 plus 3 over 2s. S I now know is number 14. This will give me 23. And now for the last part. Now that we have found the values of s and t, right? The last part is actually for us to do a quick check. Okay, so we are going to put the value of s and t back into the equation 1 and 2 and see. For example, 2s, equation 1 is 2s, so 2 times 14 minus t, which is 23. Does this give me 5? Yes, it does. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day, and do remember to subscribe to my channel.